amazing experience here climbing up Ondra Poiga. It's the first time in my life that I got to see blossom and snow combined.
I'm from Karachi. I'm an architect and I'm visiting Hunza. At the moment we have just visited the rocks. I think they're called Ondra Poiga. Still snow over here. It snowed in the morning, so it's still very snowy, and then there's bloom as well. So it's really beautiful. We just climbed it. It's 1600 steps, and the view from the top is phenomenal because you get to see as far as Attabat Lake, and if the weather is clear, you can see Pasu Lake, Pasu cones as well. So I think it's a beautiful initiative by the community itself. I feel like people need to come in and really see and appreciate it. But I would request that whoever is coming in, please don't trash it. Please don't harm it. It's a very beautiful initiative by the community. When you come to Hunza, please be careful about keeping it clean. Do not trash it. Be sentimental about it. Be empathetic about it. Please don't be selfish. Please don't come here for a good time and spoil everybody else's privacy, because this is where they live. It's their home.
My name is Liaquat and I'm local here. I'm in tourism industry for the last 25 years. When I heard about this Ondra Poiga and some other steps taken by the local community to promote the tourism in the area, amazing. I think this has to be done by the people who are being paid by the government of Pakistan. I salute to the people of Bujal. This is something unprecedented they have done for the whole region. Even this can promote whole Pakistan, can give a greatest image. There are so many other projects they have done in last winter. Ondra Poiga especially, I think it's not just some steps made of stones. It's a visionary step by the local people, which can really bring this region to one of the greatest destinations for the tourists from the world, and bring up a socio-economic uplift.
한국에서 온 김민주라고 합니다. 아까 그 불밑에 있는 이렇게 산책로를 좀 올라가서 봤는데 산 중간에 눈도 많이 있고 뷰도 너무 좋고 그랬던 것 같아요. 어떨길래 따라오긴 했는데 엄청 좋은 경험이었고, 많은 사람들이 앞으로 많이 찾아왔으면 좋겠습니다. 그리고 산길도 되게 좋았고 길도 잘 걸어갈 수 있게끔 계단도 잘 만들어져 있었어가지고 되게 걷기 좋았던 것 같아요. 가족들이랑 같이 오면 좋을 것 같습니다.